Hey guys, it's Taylor. What's up? So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me for a summer day. Really exciting. I'm starting my day off a little late today. It's like 11:30. I was gonna go to the gym at 8, but then I didn't end up going. And then I went to get a pedicure with my mom and grandma. But I just got back and then I had to do my course selection for my classes in the fall, which is like the last thing I want to be doing in summer right now. I don't want to think about school, but it's fine. I'm really pissed off about that though. I'm like really stressed because my course block is really bad and I'm just like fuming because it's me off, but it's okay. I'm fine. So we're gonna go get ready. Normally my day does start off a lot earlier, but we're just gonna work with how this day is rolling out. So I'm gonna go shower right now. I just got my hair done yesterday. I am gonna go have a body shower and we're gonna go do some skincare. I have an exciting skincare piece to show you guys that I've been using for a few weeks now and I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. Oh yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name's Taylor. You should subscribe, join the fam. It's a lot of fun here. This lighting sucks. So, thing I want to talk about, skincare product that I was like really excited to talk about is this, the Duval Radiance Spin Care System. I have a Clarisonic. I used to use it a lot, but I actually stopped using it for a while only because I was getting really annoyed by the brush and you have to buy a bunch of separate brushes and that's just a lot of money. But the thing I really like about this one is that it comes with a regular like everyday skin brush. It comes with an exfoliating brush which just has thicker and more bristles in it, and then it comes with a foot, I think it's called a pumice, let me see, yeah, a pumice stone for rough skin, so it's used for your feet. And then also it comes with this huge body brush that you can use to exfoliate your whole body, like your legs and stuff, which is really nice because I do like to exfoliate my whole body. I've been using it every single night. I will show you guys how I use it at night just because I don't like to use it in the morning because it is like kind of rough on your skin. Unlike the Clarisonic, Clarisonic is chargeable. It's like really hard to open. See what I mean? It runs off of batteries, so you just put 4 AA batteries in the bottom and the bristles just click in. And then, yeah, I'll show you guys how I use it later tonight, but I just kind of wanted to introduce that to you. And I do have a 70% off coupon code, which is like freaking crazy since they did send it to me and I'm like so grateful for that. My Warm, I'll have it on the screen. I'll also have it in the description box and I'll link Duval in the description. System is just amazing, like I'm not kidding. I was getting acne here again and it literally cleared all of it. I should have shown a before and after. I'm a dummy, but just trust me guys. But for now, we're gonna do my morning skincare routine, which is just simple. So let's get into it. For my everyday face wash, I've been using this thing for over 3 years. It's my ride or die. It's the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I use this morning and night. It's amazing. I love it. I usually wash my face in the shower, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna do that in the shower. I'm gonna do it here in my sink. I'll just take a little bit, like that much. I just rub it in my hands. I usually get it a little wet again. It becomes like a froth and I just rub it everywhere. Like I said, I like to keep it very simple in the morning, so I just use that face wash and then I go in with the Sephora Collection Nourishing Moisturizer. I use this morning and night too. And I just rub it everywhere. Obviously, like, you know how to apply moisturizer. After moisturizer, I go in with eye cream. I've been using this forever. I'm obsessed with it. I'm like obsessed with all my skincare stuff. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. It has vitamin C and collagen boosting ingredients in it. And it's just amazing. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, I'm a beauty guru now. Rub it and dab it under my eyes. Firm believer of eye cream. So after that, the last thing I do, I've been doing this forever. I always use my Mario Badescu facial rose water spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And then I just go in with that. I like to do a generous amount. I apply this multiple times throughout the day. That is my skincare for the morning. Really simple. And now, don't mind me, but I'm gonna blow dry my eyelashes. Alright, so now that we're done with skincare, we're moving on to getting dressed and actually getting ready. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do not wear makeup every single day. I only wear it sometimes. The thing I really like about eyelash extensions is that it looks like I'm wearing makeup, and like you can tell I'm not wearing makeup, but the eyelashes do add something. Especially for summer, I don't like wearing makeup. It's nice to have your skin clean and really absorb all the vitamins. Vitamin C. For the purpose of the video, I should have put makeup on, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm being real with you guys and I'm not gonna put makeup on. Right now, where I live, it's sunny and 26. I'll talk to you guys when I have my outfit on. Okay, I have my outfit on. I even have shoes on in the house, which we don't do in Canada, so that's dedication for this video. All right, so I'm just wearing this cropped button-up t-shirt from Aritzia. This eyelet belt. If you guys watched my last video, I didn't know what this belt was called, but I looked it up and it's called an eyelet belt from Garage. These mom jean shorts from Zara, and then my Doc Martens. I look goth, but it's a cute look, so it's fine. Everything is in my recent video, my haul. I just uploaded, so check it out if you haven't seen. That is gonna be the end of this portion of the video. This is pretty much what I do every single day to get ready. I will talk to you guys later tonight when I'm showing you me using the Duval skincare system and the rest of my skincare routine. Alright, so it is now much later in the day and it is finally time to do my night care skincare routine, which is the more advanced routine. Sorry the lighting is really bad and like the angle's really bad. I have the worst bathroom for videos. Tonight I'm going to use the normal brush with my face wash. Then I'm also going to go in with the exfoliating brush. I like to exfoliate like 2 times a week. For exfoliating, I'm gonna use this Teamy green tea facial scrub. They actually sent me this. I featured them in a video a while ago, but I love it. I actually use it like multiple times a week. I do have a code for it, I think. I'll have it on the screen in the description box as well. You guys should definitely get this. Also, I don't really know if this has a timer on it. I haven't used it long enough to know. It does go on for a long time, so I just like to turn it off whenever I feel like it's been a good amount of time. So I'm gonna switch out the brush, put on the exfoliating one. These are the Sephora Glow Peel Pads, but they just come in these little peel pads. Yeah, just kind of rub this everywhere. Now we are going in again with the Sephora Collection Moisturizer. My face is really red right now. Honestly, not gonna lie, I don't put eye cream on every single night. I only do it when I remember. And then if I have any pimples, I go in and spot treat. I've been using this thing since I was in like elementary school, like the 8th grade. It's the Clean & Clear Advantage Acne Spot Treatment. I go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you do go check out Duval and their Radiant Spin Care System. I love it, so I know you guys will love it. And do not miss out on that 70% off coupon code. You guys are paying for 30% of it. It's $95 original price, and with the 70% off code before tax and shipping, it's $28.50. Go get one. Treat your skin good. My coupon code is MyWarm, so make sure you use that at checkout. That is it for this get ready with me for a summer day and my summer skincare routine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Can I help it if I dream of you? If I dream of you, dream of you.